In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion automations. If you've ever wanted a quick way to trigger actions in Notion with a single click, this walkthrough will show you how to create a simple automation button that sends a notification with your custom message. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. This process is the same if you prefer the desktop app. Once Notion is open, create a fresh space by clicking New Page. You'll land on a blank page where we can add our automation. Click into the page and press the / key on your keyboard. This opens Notion's command menu, which is the fastest way to insert special blocks. From the menu, choose the button block. Notion will open a setup panel for this button so you can configure what it does. Give your button a clear, descriptive name. This label is what you'll see on the page, so pick something that instantly tells you its purpose, like morning notification or daily reminder. A meaningful name makes it easy to spot and reuse later. Next, add what the button should do. Click. New action, then choose Send a Notification. Notion buttons can trigger different actions, so if you prefer another option, you can select it here. For this example, we'll stick with a notification so you can see how a simple message gets delivered directly in Notion. In the message field, type the text you want the notification to display. Keep it short, clear, and actionable. Something like, "Good morning is perfect for a friendly daily nudge." You can tailor this wording to match your workflow, whether it's a personal reminder or a quick note to your workspace. When you're satisfied, click Done to save your button. That's it. The automation is set. From now on, this button will be ready on your page and will send the message you wrote whenever it's used. This is a great way to create repeatable, lightweight automations without leaving your workspace or setting up anything complicated. A couple of simple tips as you use this feature. If the / menu doesn't appear, make sure your cursor is active in the page. If your message is important, keep the wording specific so there's no confusion. And if you don't see notifications in Notion, check that notifications are enabled on your device and in your Notion settings. You now have a clean, reliable automation that you can trigger in a single click. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your own Notion buttons to streamline everyday tasks.